Welcome back. The car has all been taped up and is getting its first coat of high fill undercoat primer, and then we'll go from there. So just applying that coat now. We're not professionals, so we're just doing everything ourselves, having a go. The undercoat's all on now. Just got to dry before we peel off all the paper and tape, and then wet and dry it all over and make sure there's no marks and dents and blemishes left in there.
We'll still have a little bit more wet and drying to do yet to try and make it perfect it nicely, because all my imperfections will come out with the undercoat, and like where I thought I had it nice, I realised I haven't. So I'll have to do little touch-up jobs and stuff like that, but I don't mind doing things 2-3 times to try and get it right. So it should come up really nice at the end. It's all about enjoying it and having a good time what you're doing. I'm not here to make money or make a business out of it. It's just for the spare time and having a little bit of fun with the cars and learning as we go.
Bye for now.